3 powerful motivation tips for ripped abs. Make your new fitness habits much more productive with the best 3 motivational tips that will keep you going to the gym and dieting with a smile on your face every time. Ab workouts, fat loss, ripped abs, tight abs, washboard abs, ab exercises, training, exercising, free ab workouts, home workouts. Can you see yourself walking down the street at your favorite location looking and feeling great? Or as you stroll down the beach and you notice people glance over their shoulders to admire your beautiful ripped abs that belong to you. Feeling so confident in yourself that your vacation seems perfect like a dream. You pinch yourself and realize that you have arrived. Everyone on this green earth would love to have six-pack abs and be fully healthy. Can everyone archive this goal? Yes. We people were created for excellence, so yes, anything is possible. Although some may find it difficult to reach personal goals, anything is possible if you have an optimistic and positive outlook on life. Life is not fair. We can begin our day very positively. But by the end of the day, if you are not fully focused on your objective and constantly thinking of your aspirations, you can be a victim of procrastination. We as humans tend to enjoy the path of least resistance, justifying our excuses and having procrastinations of our objectives. Nobody said that being disciplined was easy. As a matter of fact, here are some examples of things we tell ourselves unconsciously that keeps us from hitting our goals. I would love to work out, but I don't want to be sore for tomorrow's barbecue. I will have a free day this weekend, therefore I will stuff my face with cookies and milk. I love the gym, I just don't have time to go anymore. The interesting thing is that we make ourselves believe such things, when in reality it is just bogus. The secret to success is not overworking but being in control of your thinking and outlooks in life. Whether you are looking to lose a few pounds or get in shape for a bodybuilding competition, please under any circumstances don't let yourselves of any excuses. Here are some helpful mindsets that will help when you get back on track when you feel you are buying your excuses. 1. Always tell your friends and family about your goals. Telling your acquaintances about your goals is great. Some will take you seriously and some won't. But the reasoning behind this is that they can help you be on track. When you are genuine with people, they respect that and sometimes are willing to help you out. 2. Setting goals with a partner or friend. Oftentimes having a workout partner or a dieting partner will make things better for everyone. Besides a little competition, a little encouragement from a workout buddy makes a huge difference. Pick someone that you enjoy being with and someone that you know will help you when you feel a bit down on yourself. Friends are incredible at picking one up and making us feel great. 3. Writing down your aspirations and visions. Get a notepad right this moment, and jot down all of your goals and aspirations. On a piece of paper, make a line down the middle. On one side have your goals, and the other has aspirations. Example. Goal number 1: lose 10 pounds this month. Aspiration number 1: lose 10 pounds so I can buy a new pair of jeans, and so on. Make sure they are in detail and also try to make them very personable. Soon you will develop these mental changes that will change your life forever subconsciously. Also take note of the times you are at your lowest in energy and pull out your sheet and read those to you out loud. Might sound kind of weird, but it works. Professional athletes do it every day. Why not you? Getting in top shape is harder than it looks. It takes discipline and full commitment. Its rewards are priceless, and the amount of confidence you get when you are watched or check out is amazing. Or even if you simply just want to live an incredibly healthy lifestyle, and carrying on that mindset to your family and kids is absolutely worth it. Stay focused, stay in the fight, and we will see you on the beaches of the world sporting your ripped abs.